I say it's Continental Drift number 3, Manny. Let's get him out. And here's Manny. He looks really weird.
Yeah, he does kind of. It's a woolly mammoth. Yep, there's the name, Manny.
Let's get the ice mane out.
And here's the directions again. Is that already? Oh, that's already put together.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
I guess you get lucky.
Yeah, all right. Does he go on all the places?
He goes on right here. Manny goes on right here. It's not really working. And he goes on right here. My favorite spot is always right here, and where it says Ice Age Continental Drift. And the other ones say that too.
So what do you want to rate Manny? The woolly mammoth? I believe it's a woolly mammoth.
I give him a 9 out of 1.
A 1 out of 10? Because you don't think it looks like him, do you?
No, it looks like a little minifig. These look more like themselves, but they do look like a minifigure too.
Okay.
And he
So
doesn't
put that one on and we'll put it with the
really
other.
want to stay right here.
Here's the
So I
other
have
two.
Sid,
Scrat,
and Manny.
All right.
And they all say the name on the back.